Hi and welcome back to the second tutorial. In this tutorial we will explore how to customize Wakelet account profile. To do that, after logging into your Wakelet account, you can see your profile option at top right in between home button and bell icon. Just click the profile button. Then you will see this window. To customize the profile, click the edit profile button. Then you can see the options to change header image and change profile image. To change profile image, click the profile image option and select upload an image. Select your preferred image from your computer. Once it is loaded and if you are satisfied with the image, click save. To change the header image, click the header image area. Then you can see two options, either upload an image from the computer or choose from the library. I will go with library option. Now search an image of your choice. Since I like green, I will search for a green color image. Once you are able to find an image you like, select the image. You can adjust the image using the slider. Once you are satisfied, click the apply button. You can also change your name using this option. If you want to change your Wakelet username, edit this option as you like. If the username is available, you should be able to change. You can also add your bio here. You can also click the plus button to add your social network links or other links if you want. At the moment, you can add 4 links. After adding the links, you can save, or if you don't want to add, you just cancel and leave as it is. You can also enhance your profile by adding sections. To do that, just click the add a new section button and add as many sections as you want. At the moment I don't have any collections to add into the sections. So in the upcoming tutorials, we will explore how to create a collection and how to add them to these sections. Once you have completed editing, click the green color save button to save the changes. You can edit your profile anytime as much as you want. Now this is how your public profile will look like. Then if you want to share your profile with others, you can click share button and you can choose QR code, you can choose a direct link to share, or even other available options like Google Classroom, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. I hope you have enjoyed the video. In the next tutorial, we will explore the important Wakelet account settings. Have a nice day.